Hello everyone, I'm Sami from Erphub, and today we will be briefly going over Zoho CRM. First, we will discuss what exactly Zoho CRM is, what it's used for, and how it can be used to help businesses grow. I'll be walking you through the dashboard page and how modules are created. Next, I will be talking about the Leads and Deals module and how blueprints are incorporated within those modules. And lastly, I will be discussing workflows, how they are created in the CRM, and how it can be useful for businesses. Let's get started. First of all, what is Zoho CRM? Zoho is an all-in-one online platform that provides nearly every tool that businesses require to optimize performance. This tool allows businesses to convert more leads, engage with customers, and grow their revenue. Zoho CRM acts as a single repository to bring your sales, marketing, and customer support activities together and streamline your processes, policies, and people in one platform. This platform improves lead conversion and customer retention rates while decreasing the sales cycle. Overall, the business can run with more efficient processes, which increases sales, improves customer satisfaction rate, and helps with the decision-making processes. With advanced CRM features, the platform can help reduce the time salespeople spend on mundane tasks, have more time to concentrate on their customers, and unify their operations across multiple geographic locations. Currently, I'm on the home page in the CRM, otherwise known as the dashboard page. This is where you can customize the widgets or important information that you want to appear on the home page. As you can see, we have various charts and diagrams that are important for us to see. You can also customize or toggle which dashboard you want to present. If you want to create a new dashboard, you can click on this, Customize Homepage, and click on New Homepage, and from there you can create another homepage and customize it to your own liking. On the top, you can see these various tabs, and these tabs are called modules. Modules in Zoho CRM let you categorize and track various aspects of your business, such as sales, marketing, customers, products, meetings. There are two different types of modules. The standard, which is the predefined modules that come into the CRM originally, and there's also custom modules that you can create. And to do that, you go on the Settings tab, and under Customization, you go on Modules and Fields. And to create a new module, you just go right here, and then from there you can customize how you want your module to look. Also, you can click on the various modules, and you can add layouts, layout rules, validation rules, and even buttons to the specific module. As you can see, we are now on the Leads module, and this is where our potential customers are going to be. Here is the list of records that are already on the Leads module. You can see that there are 119 leads. You can also customize the way that you are viewing these leads. You can also create custom views, which are just filters of how you want to view the leads. And to create a lead, I would click on this button right here. If you fill out all of the necessary information on the leads form, it will add it to the records. You can also edit the page layout of our leads by clicking on right here. This is going to customize what we see on the lead form page. Here's where you can customize what you see on the module screen and when you're creating a new lead. You can add new fields by dragging this into the form. And once you're done, you can click Save and it will reflect those changes onto the form. Right now. And inside of the Deals module is where you can manage your sales processes and your sales pipeline. Also, along with the Leads module, you can design a blueprint that navigates you through your business process and how you convert your lead to sales. Now, if I go on a specific deal, you can see that there are transition buttons that are available. When you click on those transitions, it takes you to another stage in the blueprint process. When you click this button, it takes you to another state. Value proposition. When you click decision, it takes you to another state. You can create your blueprint by going on settings and under process management, click blueprint. To create a blueprint, you just click right here. For right now, I'm going to just show an example of a blueprint. You can create different states in your blueprint process. And then along with that, you can create those transitions that allow you to navigate you through those stages. Another key aspect to Zoho CRM is automation. In an automated environment, employees have the time, resources, and freedom to focus less on manual tasks and more on strategy, innovation, and technology. Workflow rules allow you to perform certain automatic actions on specific records based on filter criteria. To create a workflow rule, you would navigate to the Settings tab, and under Automation, you would click on Workflow Rules. You can create your rule by clicking on this button and tying with the module that you want to relate your rule to. Here is a list of all of the rules that are already created in this system. You can do a lot with workflow automations. You can send emails, update fields, create records, and much more. With Zoho CRM, take your business to another level. You can proactively manage customer relationships, reduce the cost of sales, and increase employee productivity, which will greatly impact the way your business is run. For more information and insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.